Today I want to go over a quick generative AI use case. This is going to be very interesting and handy, which I have used it for my own project. I was trying to design a quick Gantt chart, like a project tracker for my team. We are working on a project, and I wanted to take this more strategically, understand timelines, how much each one of us is going to contribute for this project. I do wanted something very quick, like a deliverable in the next half hour. So before I start to build one of my own, I wanted to take advantage of what's out there. And so I put together a quick prompt for my team and tried to test it out on several platforms, starting with Google Gemini, Grock, Claude, Anthropic, and ChatGPT. And I was very excited to see what it gave me. So let's dive into it and see how it was helpful for real-time project roadmap building that I've used, which could be a click away for you. Why reinvent the wheel? If I can do it, you can use it as well. So let's get started. So I want to build a Gantt chart basically to help understand these are the deliverables, these are the phases I can think of. And I tried to use Google Gemini to start with. There are 5 phases I want to focus on: discovery, experimental design, investor pitch, product research, and then launch a test. Without any details, I just wanted these 5 phases and set a timeline accordingly. I did get something interesting from Google Gemini, but I wanted a document which I can reuse. So not much help there. So I went to Grok and I said the same thing in my prompt, just to keep it consistent, how they're going to differentiate and help me build one. While Grok was very detailed and actually gave me a Gantt chart, but in the form of a text, which is good, but I don't think I can reuse it. So, or it's not even great to take it to my team and present what I found, right? I do want it to look like something I have built and it can be reused. So I went back to Claude and did the same thing, same prompt to keep it consistent, like an A/B testing. Um, I did see that Claude did a step above, which gave me a chart. Looks great, but I don't think I can really utilize any of this. So I'm going to quick switch gears to ChatGPT. Um, I was amazed by what ChatGPT can do. I don't think I have a Plus account. This could be a game changer. Well, I do have a premium account for Grok as well, but I don't think I saw something interesting, such as what ChatGPT was able to give me. So I'm very interested. I wanted to understand how it generated such a very easy to follow. Can you generate? And the customizing piece of it was more interesting to me. Can you generate the same chart in an Excel document with data behind the chart so I can reuse the Gantt chart, make changes in the future? That's exactly what I wanted. So let's see if this can do. Also, can you help me relabel the y-axis in months / weeks? I'll just say months for now. So it's taking a little bit of time thinking through what I just asked as a follow-up, so which is interesting. Your editable Excel file with the Gantt chart and underlying data is ready. You can download it using the link below. This is exciting to me. This is exactly what I wanted. So I'm going to go back in here and see the Gantt chart. Will I be able to really use this? So if I can, that's exactly what I wanted. So it did. Wow, look at this. This is exactly what I wanted, right? So this is the backend data. I have the backend data. So now I have the duration. So let's say I'm going to, so this is the start time, this is the end, and I have this chart in the background here. I'm going to try and edit this and see if this can make a difference to my ongoing project changes, right? That's exactly what I want to share with my team, right? So I'm going to bring this back here and keep it clean, make it clean. So I actually generated a Gantt chart, not just by building an image, but I have a chart which has a backend data, which has backend data to it. So this is awesome.